Bakit kasi? Yes, bagong ligo. And super dry ng hair ko kasi wala na akong conditioner. Kailangan bumili ng conditioner. And ako pa naman yung hindi ayoko mag-shampoo every time naliligo ako. Every time naliligo, it's always conditioner. But since wala akong conditioner, so shampoo na lang. Ay. Uy, Aya, naliligo ako ah. Hindi nga lang ako nagsha-shampoo. Conditioner ako all the time. So, ayun. Kaya, ito yung result kasi pag hindi ako nagko-conditioner. Super dry ng hair. Mas sana hindi ako maalis sa STE. Ano yung STE? Not familiar, sorry. Hi, Nika! How are you guys? Hey, Max! Science, Technology, and Engineering po. Ah, okay. Got it. Is that sa high school? Ano ba? Not sure. Sorry. Di ko na alam yung mga curriculum ngayon. Ah, okay. Got it. Thank you, Max, for liking. Hi, Uno. Grabe, dry talaga. Huh? Kaya guys, conditioner kayo, okay? Huwag kayong mag-shampoo all the time. Conditioner. May ini-invite ako pero wala dito. Si Cody yung in-invite ko. But parang hindi online si Cody. I don't know. Miss Molo. Huh? What is my red flag in drag? Huh. There's a lot actually. Or wait. Di ko na-gets yung question a bit. As in yung red flag ko. Or what I think is a red flag in drag. Can you clarify the question, please? Kasi baka mali yung yung masagot ko eh. Yung red flag sa akin mismo or red flag when it comes to drag? Una. Hi, Margs. What do you think is a red flag in drag, like in general? Ah, okay. So, ito always kong sinasabi sa mga daughters and mga sisters ko na when you're in drag, I would understand if baguhan ka pa or like mga baby drag queens or whatever. Pero pag kind of matagal ka na, hindi naman like yung kilala ko na kasi yung mga mga sisters and mga daughters ko eh. So, if hindi ka na baguhan, if you're going to give me a fantasy, sell me the full fantasy. Don't give me a half-baked fantasy. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa kanila na ayoko yung hindi ko sila nakikita na walang nails. pag hindi ka magne-nails, mag-gloves ka. Kasi, it kills the fantasy kasi. Kahit, you know, the small details also matter. Ganun. Yun siya. Ano pa ba? Blend also. Kasi may mga nakikita pa rin akong mga queens na hindi pa blended masyado yung makeup. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na super galing kung mag-makeup or whatever. But, I know how to blend my makeup. Yan. So, blending, especially when it comes to sa eyeshadow. Yan, blend. What's your red flag not in drag? In what aspect? Charing. Ano pa ba? Ito. In terms of lip sync, don't sing the chorus, sing the, ang tawag dyan? Sing the ad-lib. Yun. Sing the ad-lib because you are the artist. Diba? You are the artist. So, instead of singing the melody, sing the ad-libs para it would look like that you are the one singing that song. Gets? Hi, JP! Get my point? Yung parang, ayun, may tumawag tuloy. Ito na. May call ako. Hi there, this is Jonathan from Housing Hub. How may I help you? I understand. Alright. Let me see what's the update on this work order. Give me one moment. Alright. I don't see any updates on this one. What I'm going to do, Ashley, is I'm going to reach out to our maintenance team. Specifically, the one assigned to this one's actually Mike. So I will reach out to Mike and ask for updates, okay? I understand. Well, I'm really sorry if I could not also provide you an answer as of the moment. This is actually on the maintenance team side, so I don't have much information about this, but I will reach out to them and ask updates, okay? You're welcome. Anything else I can assist for today aside from this one? What's the name that should be on the new lease? Sorry, how do you spell the last name? M-A-D. Okay, alright. I will coordinate with Megan because she is the one handling leases. So for this one, so let me just recap, okay? So for the maintenance part, I will reach out to Mike. For the lease part, I will reach out to Megan. All right? Anything else for today? All right. You're welcome. You have a great day now. Bye. Okay. Ano yan? Sorry. Who's the most attractive po sa ano? Well, eto masasabi ko ha, and eto kinonfirm din to ni Mommy Bernie actually when she was here. The most beautiful Filipina Ru girl amongst all the seasons is si Jade So talaga. Siya yung talagang in drag and out of drag, talagang ang ganda. As in, maganda si Jade So. One moment, guys. Magsasend lang ako ng email. Ayan. Ano daw? Ano yun? Sorry. Ay, bobo. Lalayo pa bang katwal? Ay. Yun ang masasabi ko. By the way, mag-e-end ako by 12 guys kasi may meeting kami. So, yun. One sec. Look, ba't nawala? Bayan. Nawala. One moment. Sorry guys, nabisi lang. Saan na tayo? Who's the most attractive po sa mask side? Masculine. Sa batch namin. Hindi ko alam, to be honest. Hindi ko talaga alam. Kayo na mag-decide niyan, guys. Ikaw. I thank you. Ayoko namang sabihin na ako kasi parang you know, people would say, grabe, ang assuming mo naman or napaka-narcissistic mo or whatever. Kaya na mag-decide niyan. Pero yun yung sinabi ko kanina na yung pinakamaganda out of all seasons talaga si Jade talaga. Nawawala na Katchas and it's okay. Handa naman ako magparaya. Sinabi ko na to dati na I'm not gonna push through with the love team kung you know, na walang consent from the other party. Award, wag mong palayain ma. Hindi, sometimes kasi kailangan nating magpalaya and kung babalik, diba? Diba? Sometimes you have, you know, the art of letting go. Yeah. Kasi, di ba, sino ba naman ako compared to Precious or sino pang nalilink sa kanya? Sino ba naman ako, di ba? So, di ba? May mga queens pa ba na hindi nag-i-earrings? Hindi nag-i-earrings? Wala akong napansin na gano'n. But wala naman, wala. So far, wala pa ako nakikitang queen now. Hindi nag-earrings. Giver! Ay nako, kayo guys. Thank you, Giver. Ako din, wala din kaming pasok tomorrow kasi it's 4th of July. So, hi, Summer! Yes! Actually, alam na lang nito. Matagal, yung lower braces ko, December pa. And then yung upper braces. Yung upper braces, tama, braces. Kailan mo? February ata, March, ganun. Hi, Laika! Kaka-adjust lang nito nung Saturday actually. Kaya parang weird siya. Pero I'm very happy with the Jonathan from Housing Hub. How may I help you? I'm sorry. Who am I speaking with? Colin Sir. Okay. I'm sorry. This is for which address? Give me one sec. And let me just pull up the with which tenant are we referring to? Jacob, one sec. Keith, can I get a good callback number, by the way? Sorry naman. But does Jacob know that you actually will be coming over? And do what? All right, let me just verify this one first because I'm not really sure if we're allowed to do that. I'll give you a call back, Keith, and then um, I'll check with management first, okay? Because I'm not really sure if I can give. All right. All right. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. What are we doing, by the way? I Give me one sec. Let me just check if there's a work order for this one. Yep. All right. Let me go ahead and contact first maintenance, and then I'll get back to you. Okay. All right. Bye. Parang tanga. Hey, Crystal. Hey, Jeff. Eh, walang sumasagot. Grabe. Hey, Maddie, Jonathan here. Hey. So I received a call from Keith from Appliance, what was that? Appliance and Home Center. This is with regard to work order 72368. He actually is asking for the lockbox code for 301 23rd. Am I allowed to give that one to him? Nope, I don't have his number. Like on Elevate? Yeah. Or, oh wait, I think I can just add. I think. Oh, no, no, no. This is group name. Good. Ay. Hey, I can't see you. Nope. Mm-hmm. Good. Last day. Last shift for the week. Let's go. Nope. Mm. Oh wait, I think I know how to do that. Like to add a contact, but it doesn't get added to the company contacts though, right? Personal. Ah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, Sorry. What's his number? Mm. Mm. Okay. Joey. Okay. But can I give him the lockbox code? Okay. All right. I'll give him a call back. Okay. Alright. I'll call him back. Okay. Alright, bye. Wait, paano ako mag-add ng contact? Parang tanga. Di ba nakalimutan kung paano mag-add ng contact? Bobo yun. Create contact. Eh. Wait niyo muna. Hindi ko na-copy yung number. Ayan. Create contact. Alright, so let me call him again. Dito pala ito, tama. Hey Keith, Jonathan here. So I was actually told that I would actually have to forward you over to Joey because Joey is the one, what do you call this, scheduling or coordinating with vendors. So I will forward you right now to Joey, okay? Alright, one second. Ganon. Sure. Hi, Jenny. Mali. Okay, so Cody! Wait. Saka good gods. Chika ta, char. Manglibak tayo.
Oy, pag kayo pag Cody! Hello, T!
Kumusta? How are you naman? Uy! So, mao na to siya. Ato ara, di ba gi-live post ko buang man si Cody.
Madungan ko ni mo?
Dili oy buang ni gawas ka sa app.
Ay, hindi ko makita. Wait lang, nag-guan ko, nag-top up ko ka ng kwan sa ML.
Goal.
Uy, mami, nagay yung makuha sa ko sa bar, mami, mag-drag queen, kaso di ko kabalo magkuhan.
Ha? In fairness, karon ako nakahibaw kanang Cody nga kanang kahibaw de ka mo jump split.
Ay, wala, di ka kabalo?
Wala.
Gusto ko, wait lang ha.
Hi Nicole, kala ko ba ako lang daddy mo? Huy! Ba't ka nang gaganyan, MJ? Cody is my friend. Wait sa Cody, nga no, ganahan day ka magkanang kuan, mag-drag. Aw, at Chares.
Wait lang.
Go lang. Kasi naasag kay kanang kuan.
Okay na?
Oh.
Hindi, gusto mo good ko mag-quad, ma'am. The reason why I decided to be a part of drag queen, it's because, like, mas share mo good ako. I mean, ganang, ma-express mo good ako emotion, good. Like, magawas na ako feelings, ba? Like, the way na mag-lip sync ko, the way na as in, like, babae na babae ba, nga na. And also, like, dili na mabugay sa nga na, pod, gusto po ko maging babae. It's because, like, gusto po ko na makakuha og ka ng smile sa ubang tao.
Okay.
Kasi, like, while I'm performing ba, nga na ganun, gusto ko ka ng entertainment man good. It's at the same time. Ano? As in, like, lamig ka sa feeling pag once na mag-clap sa
Pero,
mga,
pero,
mag-cheer.
wala jud ka ni Chuday ato.
Na, mucho day yung tagani ko duday no. Sa maulo mo ko, B.
Ano man?
B, di ba ako into ganyan, B, na dili na ako kaila, B.
Hala! That's the fun of it. It's like, di ba?
Mucho day ba yun ko kung ako gipilit to. Ano, dugay makatanawat ito? Ako gipilit na to.
So, sala nako, Cody? Sure,
Ay,
jud
dili,
ka
wala man. Wala, I'm not, hindi ko naman sinabi na kasalanan mo, hindi ko naman kasalanan may kasalanan. However, guys, pray. Ala, dito si Kian. Ay, akala ko si Kiana. Crystal pala.
Tanga.
Kiana. Nag-download good ako ng app ng kuan, yung kay RuPaul. Yung game.
Ang game.
Oo, ano. Game? RuPaul match na game ni kuan, game ni RuPaul.
Mo gani.
Ayaw ka, kabalo ni ka. Ay, yeah. Wait lang, mag-top up muna ako, wait lang. Kasi babay ako ng gani. Sorry, light.
Ang question is, unsa may makuha nimo ana?
Pa mag-drag ko?
Taka lang dili oy kana imo kanang top up karon oy.
Ay.
Unsa may makuha nimo?
Gusto ko
Masa nang same question ako sa akong friend nga okay, I get it, mar ka nang lingaw ang game and then nana pero mag-top up mo. Ang question, unsay makuha ninyo?
wala. Happiness.
Go.
Hindi na lang ko
Sige, go.
Hindi na lang ko eh.
Ayun. Aww. Oh, may commendation yung yung client ko sa akin. Thank you.
Okay.
Ha? Unsa?
Siya?
Commendation.
Nag-comment siya. Nag-comment.
Commendation is like marag ka nang gi-praise ka sa imong from ng someone ba? Commendation.
Okay. Kala ko like parang ni-recommend ka na or something like.
That's recommendation. Commendation is parang praising someone. I commend you for
Wag mo i-comment si si Nicole, alam mo, natutulog lang yan. Bakit mo i-comment?
Kanus amang kamo babalik og Cebu Codes.
This month, July.
Balik ka Cebu?
Yeah.
Wala lagi ka nisultin ako.
Wala pa, di pa man sure. Di pa man sure, di pa man ako.
Pero na-shock jug ko. Na-shock ka?
Oo, na-shock ko. Actually, like, dugay man sila nagpanatagad na nag-check ka na daw. Tapos, basta Inanaw sila nito, nakita, di ba ka?
Pero, you know
di ba
what?
nakita ba ka nito?
No, I was there. Kato nga moment nga video siya. I was actually there. And seeing that video, like, ni-reach out jud ko ni Kuan. Ni-reach out ko nga, hi ma, ganyan. I saw the video. I don't want to ruin, or sabi ko, na di ko ganahan gubon ang fantasy, but be careful lang. Moro to siya, love you, ana. Moro to akong sulti. Diba? So, because I'm not just hearing it from you, I'm hearing it from a lot of people talaga. Like, okay, and I don't want people to be, basta I don't want people to get hurt.
Yeah.
Diba? I'm not saying that person is a bad person. I'm just hearing a lot of bad things about that person.
Yeah.
So, maura na siya. And, murag, I feel sad that other person is marupok. Diba? So, or, I know strong man siya, but I mean, sometimes manggod, sometimes madala ta sa kanang atong emotions, atong feelings na marag ka ng, sometimes mahimo tang 5-1, pa-baby. So, that's our inside joke, like kanang 5-1 kay ka, It's like, when we say 5-1, it's like, parang pa-baby or pa-demure.
Sige,
It has nothing to do with lang guys, it's just a term na ginagawa.
Wala ginagawa yung sa 5-1 kay kakodi, ha?
5-1 kay kag-attitude,
5-1 ako squad, ako ang high.
Dili, it's parang term that we use for nagpapaka-baby or nagpapaka-demure or yung mga inana. So that's what we call the 5-1 attitude. Charing.
Katulas ako. Kigul. Wait lang, sure na ba ko? Palitan ako. Kasi, like, you know what? Like, kanina maguna akong skin na ginawan kay. Dugay na din ako na siya gusto makuha. And if ever kung makuha na ko na siya, you have a point man. Sorry, makuha na ko if ever makuha na ko.
Mosan, pero eto if it's an extra money that you have, na you can shell out for something that you want or for something that makes you happy, go for it. But, think about this one also na, okay, it will make you happy. At the end of the day, it's still an expense. For me, Manggod, on my end, I want to invest on something that I know I can also generate income from. Like, let's say, I invest in drag because I know I can generate income from that one too. That's why I always tell my friends, Jude, na I have nothing against you playing games or whatever because I know that makes you happy. My question there then is, what do you get out of it aside from you being happy? Because nothing wrong with that. Okay, nothing wrong with that. But yun lang yung point ko. What do you get out of it?
Mm.
Ganon. Aside from the happiness, aside from the happiness, because that's given. You guys are playing because you want to be happy or you want to be challenged or whatever. But aside from that, ganon. Like dati, before ako nag-drag, I went into photography. Nag-invest ako for photography because I know I can also generate income from that. Ano, I think it's just my practical side that's speaking right now. Parang gano'n. Yun lang. I'm not stopping anyone or any of my friends from having fun or whatever. I'm just giving them my 2 cents also na parang ano lang, reality check lang ba?
Mm.
Ganon. But again, coach, if that will make you happy and if you have the extra money to do it, why not?
Yeah, I'm gonna check my balance, my money, my pocket money. Alam, wala naman nagkikwarta.
Diba? Yun lang guys Again, nothing wrong with playing games or whatever. Yung ano ko lang is, you know, you can actually use that money for something that will, or you can save that for a future something, or you can invest it on something that will also give you income. Parang ganun. Get my point? Parang ganun lang.
I get your point.
Diba? But again, if you have the extra money, this is not just for Cody, but for everyone else. If you have the extra money, if you have the go for it, go. If it will make you happy, wala ka namang, as long as wala kang inaapa ka na tao, do it. Ganon. This is just my motherly instincts talking.
Okay. Nabili ko na.
Okay.
It's already good naman. It's only ko lang 100.
Okay. Go.
100,000. Char.
Because I have friends talaga na mugastos jud sila mga thousands na jud for that. Ano ba? Huy, grabe. But if it's like mga 100 lang, carry lang. I know it's a big money na for some people, but you know, if carry lang siya for you, go for it. Oh, I have a check-in. Mag-end muna ko, codes and guys.
Sige, bye-bye.
Bye.